Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And this was let's start our today's video. This was our website that we will uh, open this and we switch on this construction mode. Before starting a video, I would like to show something interesting about my YouTube channel, Tech with Hanan. If we click on, you can see this is channel analytics, Tech with Hanan. Let me select something, lifetime. Yes, lifetime. If you see in the subscription status, uh, yes, select watch time. 994 minutes, uh, those who doesn't subscribe my channel, and 256 minutes just to who has subscribed my channel. Almost you can see 80% audience or those who are watching my video but didn't subscribe my channel. I would like to request, please subscribe my channel, and it will help me to grow my channel, to grow my audience, to help me to create a bigger impact. And as if the audience will go, people will learn. I want to share my knowledge with maximum people as I can. If it's like on views, you can see 1378 and just 194. It means again the most of the audience didn't subscribe my channel, but they are watching my videos. So do subscribe my channel. And here you can see who has subscribed my channel, spending almost on an average 1 minute and 19 seconds, and not subscribe just 43 seconds. What does it mean? It means they are watching my videos, but they are downloading, you guys are downloading my videos, not watching on my YouTube channel. I'm not charging any kind of fee, any kind of charges. There are not any kind of charges, but it's almost 100% free. I'm teaching all course and all things. I'm sharing my knowledge. I'm sharing before I this share different couple of courses who are 100% free with the certificate. And but in return, I just want you to please watch my video on my YouTube channel. Don't download my videos. You can download it, but I'm not asking you to don't download. You can download it, but watch my videos on my YouTube channel. After watching a complete video, you can download it. Uh, if you want to share with your friends, do share the link of video. What it will help me, if you guys will watch my video on my YouTube channel, it will help me, it will boost my confidence, and I will share my maximum knowledge, because I have a plan in a longer term. After this WordPress complete course, I'm going to start again one more course, SEO, search engine optimization course, after this. So I would like to request you to watch my complete videos. Don't download, because it will help me. I'm not charging any kind of fee or like anything. So in return, I just want you to subscribe my channel and watch my complete video on my YouTube channel. So let's go to towards video here. This was the website, and let's login. As I had told you, couple of ways to log in. Let's select, sorry, this was not the website, it was the Hadan YT. HANANYT WordPress. This was the website, and now we need to log in. What we need, as you can see, there is no option of login. There is no option of login. So another way, I told you this way, and three ways of login. So as I have saved my password, so it's logins. You can see here under construction mode is activated. What we will firstly do, deactivate the plugin of under construction. As we have deactivated, and now let's refresh this front end. Here you can see, now you can see the post. So today we will talk about the post. If you go to the post, all post, here you can see uh, two posts, hello world and hello world, and it's all the details you can see. uh, let's go, let's close this. Before this, when under construction mode was activated, you can't see this post. So now you can see. If you are practicing about the post, I would like to request you, please don't switch on the under construction mode. So if we how to post, and just need to click on new post. You can create from here as well, like yeah, add new post. Let's just close this. Here you can see what is test post, uh, heading, test post, test post, bold. Here, let's see. What you can see the permalink. This is the permalink of like link of your post. When you will click on this link directly, you will go to that post, test post. You can see. Uh, Okay, we will see heading. If you click on, you can see, you can select different options: heading, paragraph, heading one, heading two, three. What is suitable according to your content? These are the shortcut as well. You can select the shortcuts as according to your requirement. Here is the bold. You can bold, and if you want to do this italic, we can italic this, and here you can see this. If you go to the bullet, we can put in the bullets. Number list, we can, if you go to enter, then the again second number will be created. If you want to some code as well, like this, we can select, and align options. These are all the options. I would like to and explore all these options. Let's go to something. If they saved, we didn't publish this. So status, you can see the status draft. If you will not click on publish, this will not show on the front end. This is the front end of your website, so the post will not show on front end. So let's click on publish, and as we click on publish, now you can see the post. Close this, and here you can see the notification post published. You can just click on here, or you can see from the view post. So we will click, and recent. You can see test posts, heading, board, what we have, and same thing. This is the permalink of your website and of your post. You can see status. Now status have changed to published because it is published. Edit. You can change pending review. If couple of persons are managing a website and the one person editor want to prove, you can just type your post, publish your content, and just click on pending review. The editor will look into it and according to it publish. And visibility is public. You can password, even password protected, private. You can select these options. You can here see published on 30 September 2019, date and time as well. If you click on, you can see different options. Okay, what is move to bin? Move to bin, like you delete a post but still it is available. It is available for you, like you something, you delete a file from your laptop and it is still available in recycle bin. So default category, we will look into it, the details about the category, but the default category of post is uncategorized. Let's again plug in. I would like to install this plugin. What is MCE? So let me add new plugins. I'm searching, and we will now you can see install this plugin. What here you can see just a 682 4 stars and compatible. And if you scroll down, just a 4 custom button. And which one is if you scroll down, I think we need to go up. So you can see like which plugin is best. 34, 36 is 4.5, so 682. And active installation number, you can see compatible, last updated. So you can see this 6,000 plus active installations, and 8 months ago last, untested. You can see untested with your version of WordPress. So use this plugin and explore the plugin. What will this okay, I'm not I'm asking you to do something for your own, like more detail. When you will click on more detail of any plugin, you can see the description. What is description? You can read the description. I'm giving you hint, different hints. So in description you can see how the plugin will work, and installation and reviews. You can see different reviews, and yes, you can search on Google as well about the plugins. So this was all about today, about video for posts. In the next video we will see about the how to add. It was a different uh, simple tools. If we want to add a video, or if we want to add a picture, add media, how to do this. So do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share. In the next video we will talk about more about the post. I will let you know each and every detail. So practice these, explore the post option by yourself. If you need anything, if you want to ask any question, you can ask in a comment section. Thank you so much.